Some people sell their cars every few years like it's nothing, but not us. There is a reason old cars stay in the family, and once you understand it, you'll never look at a new car the same again.
Patrick's Garage.
My Volvo 1969, it's more than just a car to me. It's part of my history. And in many families, it's the same. We remember who drove it before us, where it went, what it survived. You know what's wild? I actually meet the guy who sold this Volvo to my father in law's uncle. He came up to me one day, looked at the car and said, I know this car. I remember when it got hit in the rear by a police car at the crosswalk. He also asked me, Are you bought this car from George? I answered, No, George sold it to my father in law. Back then it was damaged. And the uncle didn't want to deal with the repair, so he sold it. That's when my father-in-law stepped in and bought it in the 90s. And now, years later, here I am still driving it. That's not just a car, that's a chain of real people, real memories. That's why old cars stay in the family. They carry more than just a mileage. Now, compare that to a brand new car. It doesn't come with stories. It comes with finance contract. It doesn't get passed down. It gets straight in. It's not built to last. It's built to expire. So modern cars aren't built to have long lives or become meaningful. They're just short-term products people use and get rid of. The reason old cars stay in the family isn't just emotional. They're fixable, understandable, built with logic and simplicity. If something breaks, it can be fixed by you, not just a laptop, not just sentimental value. These cars never left me stranded. I trust it more than any modern car with 10 computers. And it's not just about the Volvo, it's about the kind of engineering that respected the driver. One day, someone else will drive this. Maybe my son, maybe a friend, but when they do, they will drive something real, not just a machine stuffed with electronic crap, but a memory, a story, a legacy. That's why old cars stay in the family. They last, they matter, and they bring people together, generation after generation. Tell me in the comments which car stayed in your family. These cars aren't just machines, they're memory keepers. Every switch was touched by ancestors before you. Every worn handle a reminder it was loved. The creak of the door, the gear shifter, it's all familiar. It's like car remembers and now you're part of its story too. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Thanks for your support. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.